If you've ever had an old item that you didn't quite want to throw out, don't worry. We're here to tell you 10 DIY projects to turn old items into new ones. Before we start, make sure to click that subscribe button and turn on your post notifications. Number 10, turning a carton into a water sprinkler. For this one, you're going to grab a carton of your choosing. Use something sharp and start poking holes all over the top of the lid. Now, with this, you can use it to sprinkle your plants with all of the water. Anyways, let's move on to the next one on our list. Number 9, glass bottle holder. For this one, get a rusty can and start painting it with acrylic paint. Now, get it all over the can and repeat this step with other cans, but make sure to use a different color. Once that's done, you can glue them all together and now use it as a glass bottle holder. It all works out in the long run for you. Number 8, for the next time you're camping. For this one, we all know trash is all over the world, so grab a trash bag, fill it up with some trash and tie it up, and now you can use it as a chair. Only do this if it's your last resort, and make sure not to put anything sharp in it. Number 7, candy holder. Start off by pouring dye cement on a carton of eggs. Let it dry, take it off, and now you can use it for other purposes, such as holding cupcakes or even candy. Anyways, let's move on to number 6. Number 6, use a bottle for plants. For this one, all you need to do is get some scotch tape and a bottle. Start taping the top of the bottle and again, but do it till the bottom of the tip. Tape the middle of it in 3 areas, and when you're finished with that, start painting all over it. Once you're finished painting, peel the tape off, and now look. This will now be used as something to put your plants in. Number 5, shoe holder. For this one, all you need is a plastic bottle. With the bottle cut off, half of it safely with a knife. Now, you can place your shoes in it, and you can do this to many other bottles, and now you have a safe place for your shoes, which is a win-win for everyone. Number 4, flashlight for when you need to write. For this one, it's quite simple. Grab half a bottle and place a flashlight under it. Now, put foil over the top of the lid, and now you can write under it. Hope that helps. Now let's move on to number 3. Number 3, make a mirror. For this one, make sure to have a ton of dry branches and start breaking them apart. Now, get a huge circle cardboard piece and start gluing these pieces to the board. When you're finished, glue in the mirror, and now you have your own custom mirror. Now let's move on to number 2. Number 2, use old CDs as a photo background. For this one, grab a huge sheet of foil. Now get some hot glue and glue the back of a CD. Do this many more times and stick it onto the foil. And now, once this is all finished, you can use it as a background for a photo shoot. Guys, if you're enjoying the video so far, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notifications. You don't want to miss out on any videos that we post. Now let's move on to number 1. Number 1, a shoe case. Start off by cutting off the bottom of a giant water bottle jug. Now, once this is done, you can place your shoes in them and use them as a case, just like the one we talked about previously. What did you guys think of all of these crazy hacks? Let us know in the comment section down below, but thanks so much for watching here on Ready Set Viral. If you enjoyed it, be sure to hit the like and subscribe button, as well as turning your post notifications on. And until we see you guys next time, watch the 2 videos that are on your screen because you'll love them just as much as this one. And we'll see you guys next time in a brand new video.